Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head into Walgreens and check out all the new month-long deals that are running through November 2nd, plus a couple deals that I would go ahead and grab this week. One that is a big money maker on Revlon lipstick and face cosmetics, so do not miss that one. But most of the deals, you've got all month long to grab them, so let's head in and check them all out. One deal that is this week only is a Register Award deal running on Revlon, and it is a double dipping deal. So it makes for freebies already, but I would take it up a notch. So Revlon this week, when you buy any two, you're gonna get an $8 Register Award back, plus they're on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. So pick two, get an $8 reward. Don't forget we've got $4 coupons for face and $3 coupons for eye and lip that expire on Saturday. So pair in those high value coupons. This does make for money makers on a ton of products. But if you want to double dip, go with this deal. So when you buy $15 worth of any Color Stay, now Color Stay lip, Color Stay eyeliner, there's a lot of different products in here, you get another $5 Register Award. So you need to get $15 before that 50 or after the 50% off sale, so that your total spent is $15 before the coupon. Pair in the coupons on the products. You can pay less after the coupon. You're gonna get back the $5 Register Award for Color Stay and the $8 Register Award for the deal this week. So pretty sweet. If you go with Color Stay lipstick, it's $10.99. Half price would hit you at the $15. So two Color Stay lipsticks, basically $10.99 for the first one, $5.50 for the second. You're over the $15 needed. Two $3 off coupons, and then get back $13 in Register Awards. So fun deal, no matter how you work it, but double dip it if you can. A great monthly deal to grab starting next week. So this is a heads up. We're gonna get really high value coupons for Jergens in the Sunday paper. So Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer in particular, a $2.50 coupon coming in Sunday's paper. This is a month-long deal. When you grab two of them, you're gonna get 2,000 balance rewards back, and they're on sale for $6.99, and the sale is gonna run all month long as well. So pair in that $2.50 coupon coming in the paper, pair in the getting the 2,000 rewards back when you buy two, and you're gonna end up getting this guy in the end for $3.49 a bottle. Regular price in some stores as high as $8.99 depending on the store you're in. So not a bad price if it's something that you use, and a good way to use that coupon coming next week. All month long, there's a fun balance reward deal. Get 3,000 balance reward points back when you buy two Revlon beauty tools. Through this week, we actually have a coupon for them as well. So head in if you can before Saturday, before your coupon expires. The cheapest item, the nail files, are $2.79. So grab two of them, use two $1 off coupons. You're gonna pay $1.79 a piece basically for them, but then you're gonna get back $3 in rewards, 3,000 balance rewards. So you're paying 29 cents for a Revlon nail file in the end. I know it's not super exciting, but this would be a fun item to put in a Christmas stocking or even to donate Operation Christmas Child boxes, but 29 cents using that $1 off coupon. If you want to go nail clippers, they also have those starting at $3.29. So it's not too much more. You're still going to get a set of nail clippers for less than $1 after the coupon. Just remember, the coupon expires this Saturday. The deal runs all month long through November 2nd. The great month-long deal on Tresemme is back again this month. Grab 4 products and get 5,000 balance rewards back. Plus they're on sale, buy one, get one half off. Now we have coupons that are good through this weekend, but there are some digital coupons as well that are actually good past this weekend. So if you can't get into the store this week, you're still gonna get a really good deal on through the rest of the month. There are 2 deals that you can look for here. One, this store is out of, so you can see where he should be, but they sell little tiny travel hairsprays that are part of the deal, and they're $1.99 regular. So grab 4 of them, buy one, get one half off. You're gonna end up paying $5.97 for all 4 of them after the sale, and you're gonna get back $5. So makes them 24 cents a piece for the travel hairsprays. Now, this store's out, but again, the sale's running all month long. So you can kind of just, as you head to Walgreens, just keep checking and see if they're back in stock. but you can also get regular hair products for less than $1 as well. So here's a deal just using Walgreens digital coupons and using your Walgreens app. If you grab the regular Tresemmes, they are buy one get one at $4.99 a bottle, and grab 2 of them. There is a digital coupon for $2 off any 2 Tresemme. So clip that digital coupon, and then let's add in 2 more products. So quick skip down, because Dove is also part of this deal. So grab 2 Doves. They are also $4.99. And there's a digital coupon here for $3 off 2 any Dove or Tresemme. So let's throw in 2 Dove. Let's throw in 2 Tresemme. That's 4 products. They're all $4.99 a piece. Buy one, get one half off. Use those 2 Walgreens digital coupons. So no inserts needed here, just your digital coupons. After the coupons, after the rewards back, you're paying less than $1 for each bottle, which is a pretty sweet price for Dove and Tresemme. This deal is good all month long. I'm not quite certain on how long those digital coupons are for, but they are past this week, so you at least have a little bit more time to grab them after your insert coupons have expired. There's a week-long deal running on Gillette razors for a $3 register reward back when you buy 1, and they're on sale for $9.99. Now that doesn't, that makes them $6.99, but some of us, not everybody, but some of us got a $4 coupon a few weeks ago in the Sunday paper, and it expires this Saturday. So if you haven't used your $4 off coupon, now's your chance. Check your Walgreens app, because a lot of folks have had a $4 or $5 off coupon in your Walgreens app. So you could get this even if you didn't have that insert coupon. Pair in your $4 coupon from the inserts. They're on sale for $9.99. You're gonna pay $5.99, and you're gonna get back a $3 register reward. So in the end, it's gonna cost you, $2.99. Not bad at all, or $3.99. Now I've forgotten the math. They're on sale for $9.99. Use your $4 off coupon. You're gonna pay $5.99. You're gonna get back a $3 register reward. So out of pocket, $2.99. Not bad. Every month in Walgreens, we've got some kind of deal on Bic Disposable Razors, and we do again this month. So when you buy $10 worth of Bic Disposable Razors, you're gonna get back 3,000 balance rewards. It's not as good as we've seen in previous months, but it still comes out to be super cheap thanks to coupons. So these Bic Soleil Twilights, look for them. They're $6.79. In my store. Hopefully you're gonna find it about the same price. It's a magical number because they are on sale, buy one, get one half off. Grab 2 of them, and that comes out to $10.18. You need to buy $10 for the deal. I love it when they add up perfectly for what we need. So grab 2 Bic Soleils. In my store, I could also get the Bic Twilight. Both are $6.79. We've got $3 off printable coupons for Bic Soleil. So print those coupons, head in and grab 2 packs. It's $10.18. Use your 2 $3 off coupons. So you're gonna pay $4.18, and then you're gonna get back $3 in rewards. So now you're paying $1.18 for 2 of them. Guys, that's 59 cents a pack for disposable razors. Not a bad price at all, and a great item to donate if you don't need. So again, buy $10 worth of Bic. It's not just women's, it's men's as well. I just happened to spot these and love the price. You want to look for something in that $6.79 to $7 range so that you can grab 2. You're right over the $10 needed, and then start to pair in those coupons. This deal is good through the end of November, the beginning of November, and your coupons will be good as well since they're printable. So you can head in and grab this anytime you want this month. No coupons needed here, just a really great price on trash bags this month. It's all month long. And guys, in case you haven't caught this on previous videos, how I know that? The bottom white tag, it actually tells you it's good through November 2nd. So whenever you see that white tag in the store, you know you're dealing with a month-long deal versus the yellow tags at the bottom, week-long deal. So just a way to spot them. Now, nice trash bags, the kitchen and the yard trash, all buy one get one all month long. So no coupons needed here, guys, but it makes a 50 count bag of trash bags $3.50. That's a good price. It makes the yard bags $4 for these are large boxes. So you're not gonna get any other price that cheap. Grab these if you need trash bags all month long. Our monthly deal on Scott and Kleenex is also back, so Again, these are the $5 packs. They basically alternate, so one month we'll see an in-store coupon, the next month we'll see them buy one, get one half off. And this is a buy one, get one half off month. So head in and grab 2 packs. You can mix and match these. You've got Scott paper towels, you have Scott Comfort Plus tissue, and you have 3 or 4 packs of Kleenex. Mix and match, grab 2 of them. They're $5 a piece, any one of them. And so you're gonna get one for $5. You're gonna get the next one for $2.50. There are coupons for these, some from the inserts and some that you can print. So grab 2 printable coupons since you're grabbing 2 packs. In the end, you're gonna pay $3.25 for the toilet paper, the paper towels, the Kleenex, whichever ones you want. Guys, that's the best price in town, and it stays. We've seen this deal probably for the last 4 or 5 months now. This is where you need to come to get your paper goods. So again, it is Scott paper towels, Scott Comfort Plus, or Kleenex 3 or 4 packs, and then pair in those coupons. So it's gonna come out to $3.25 per item, however you mix and match that. Pretty sweet. One more monthly deal for you, Poise Active Pads. Now the Poise pads, you can also get those too, but the active ones are the ones you wanna get. They are $5.99, that's just their normal price, but we have a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens monthly booklet. It's right by the front door, right by the register. You can also load it as a digital straight to your Walgreens card, however you want to go there. Grab a box of Poise Active Pads, and we have a $3 coupon that just came in the $9.29 insert. So grab your $9.29 inserts, use your $3 manufacturer, your $2 store coupon, guys. You're saving $5 off of one box, and it's gonna make them 99 cents a piece. So not a bad price. I know it's not a super fun item, but if it's something that you need, 99 cents is a great price. So don't miss this one. It's gonna also be a whole month-long deal for you. So there you go, guys. There's a lot to grab this month. Most of them you've got all month long to get. I would, if you want to use those Tresemme coupons, grab that deal this week, a couple of others, but most of them, don't stress, or keep adding them every time you come. That's the sweet part about month-long deals in Walgreens, is that balance rewards, there's really technically not a limit. So you literally could grab these every single week if you wanted to. You're gonna keep getting those points. Pretty sweet the way they work that. And then remember, all the deals that I've mentioned, all the coupons that I've mentioned, if you head to southernsavers.com, you can make a shopping list. You can print it out, have all the coupons that you need right there, print them directly from the list as well, and then head to the store. Guys, I can't make it any easier for you. That's my goal, is to make this to where you can literally just click some buttons and be ready to save a ton of money. Now, also remember, your Walgreens points, they don't expire for 6 months. So if I head in once, even in the next 6 months, that actually extends them for another 6 months. So if rewards programs stress you out, you do not need to be here every week. You really could come in, get the monthly deals, come back next month if you wanted. These rewards aren't going to go anywhere. The rewards that do end quicker, though, are those register rewards. They're only good for 2 weeks. So what I would do, an example for you this week, is maybe head in and grab that Revlon deal, that big money maker, get the register rewards back from that Revlon deal, and then use those register rewards that you just got to pay for the Tresemme and your paper goods or whatever else you wanted to grab afterwards. I can always pay with register rewards and still earn balance rewards, and I can also always use my balance rewards to pay for my register reward deals. So it's an easy way to not screw up, to not accidentally miss getting rewards. They'll always work out that way. So just a tip for you, start with the register rewards and then grab the other items. But it is a good month in Walgreens, and we're definitely going to see some other deals that pop up as the weeks come through. So make sure you're subscribed so that you'll catch all of the weekly deal videos that we post, so that you won't miss any of those. But definitely bookmark this one so you do not miss your month-long deals. And then check the list that's on Southern Savers. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you can head in and get all of these deals.